Hi guys! Ngayong gabi nagluto ako ng tortang talong. Napakasarap at very crunchy. Yes. Ito guys, oh, luto na oh. Ayan. Napaka-crunchy niya. Ayan. Ketchup na lang kulang. Welcome to my channel guys. Ang laki kasi nitong talong na to, napakahaba. Ayan. Haba siya oh. Ang laki na nga ng kawali ko. Hawakan ko na lang guys. See, look at that. So crunchy. So guys, ito na yung ating tortang talong. Ayan. Napaka-crunchy. Ayan guys. Diba? Oh, ganun lang kadali magluto ng tortang talong. So guys. Gugutom na ako. Ito guys, may bagong luto na oh. Yung dalawa, naibigay ko na yung dalawa. Ito naman yung sa amin. May ginawa pa ako guys na hiwa. Ayan, yung manipis. Ayan, parang chip. Talong chip. Ayan. Yung nilagay ko dito, para magiging crunchy yung tortang talong nyo, alam nilagay ko dito, 4 na itlog, at saka harina, at saka cornstarch. At saka nilagay ko ng asin, pamintang durog, pamintang powder, at saka pampasarap. Ayun guys, tandaan nyo yan guys. Very easy lang talaga, napaka-crunchy ng talong nyo. Pag niluto nyo, no. Ayan oh. Ketchup na lang kulang dito guys. Hey, welcome to my channel. Binabantayan ko yung talong guys, baka masunog. Sayang. Ang mahal-mahal pa naman ng talong. 4 na piraso. 40 pesos. So, 8 peraso, 80 pesos. Oh. Buti na lang, yung binili kong talong, walang tao sa loob, walang sira. Kaya, hindi sayang. Ay, only to love. Kunti na lang guys. Kunti na lang, 4 na piraso na lang. Talong chips. Dapat ang talong guys na gagawin ko, iihawin ko yung talong. Kaso, wala naman kami ihawan ng talong sa baba. Kaya dito na lang ako sa binalatan ko na lang yung talong. Ayan, hindi ka pa magkakadat. Diba? Last one. Last one. Okay guys, ito na yung ating tortang talong. Atin ang titikman. At ito naman yung aking ketchup. Excited na akong kakainin yung talong. Manipis. Sarap.
Asia is home to some of the fastest growing economies and most powerful nations in the world. But beneath the surface,
Tortang
several
talong.
countries are teetering on the
Bao.
edge of collapse. From financial crises to political instability. Get to subscribe, like and hit the notification. Out of control.
Sarap, guys.
Inflation soared, fuel
Yummy.
shortages are ongoing, and the nation is still struggling to pay
I think
back
kailangan
loans
ko ng
from
rice.
international creditors. Protests have erupted across the country as citizens demand better living conditions. With over 25% of Sri Lankans living below the poverty line, people are struggling to afford basic necessities.
Sarap
like
guys.
food and
Yummy.
medicine.
Super.
Despite government efforts to secure bailouts, Sri Lanka's economy is far from stable. The tourism sector, once a major source of income, has taken a massive hit. Many businesses have shut down, and foreign investors are hesitant to put their
Sarap.
money into a collapsing economy. Without significant reform, Sri Lanka could remain stuck in an economic freefall for years to come. On top of that, political corruption has only deepened the crisis. Many blame the government for reckless spending and mismanagement.
Very hot. Yummy. Guys, thanks for watching my video for this evening guys. It's very simple, but if you cook like this, I think you love it guys. Napapa-English tuloy ako ah. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!